This Masters is for employees who are currently working in or have the potential to work in a role where they have responsibilities for designing and managing environmental security programs. This course is intended to prepare our graduates for the employment market. It is designed to meet the changing needs of employers as well as the changing nature of the employment market. The program addresses the requirement for further study in environmental security management at postgraduate level. The program contains the following 6 modules. Introduction to Environmental Security. Through these modules, students will be introduced to the concept of environmental security and its importance. They will understand the threats, risks and challenges posed by water flows, droughts, forest fires and waste disposal. Finally, the human dimension of environmental security and institutional responses will be approached. Ecological Foundation for Sustainable Land Use. This module looks at ecological land resources and sustainability indicators, ecological planning across a variety of levels, integrated approaches in agriculture and forestry. Climate change, adaptation and mitigation. The primary aim of this module is to explain issues related to global warming linked with the increase of greenhouse gas emissions and existing scientific data. Students will research the effects of climate change on ecosystems, particularly the impacts of climate change on forests, the preservation of soil, water regime, biodiversity, environmental services, and socio-economic impacts. Environmental conflict management and risk reduction at local level. This module is essentially oriented towards the practice and application of environmental conflict management and risk management processes that involve local stakeholders. Environmental conflict analysis is discussed extensively and practiced with real cases using stakeholder analysis systems. Climate change governance. The main themes studied in this module are observed effects of climate change, evaluation of emission scenarios, the international response to climate change, mitigating strategies, Kyoto Protocol content and mechanism, European Commission's Directorate General for Climate Action. Geological hazards, erosion and environmental restoration. The module will study in great depth issues such as disaster risk reduction, geological hazards including floods, landslides, volcanoes, earthquakes, tsunamis, erosion impact and control, environmental degradation and restoration. Buckinghamshire New University, United Kingdom. University of West Hungary. The Polytechnic University of Madrid. University of La Laguna. Estonian University of Life Sciences. University of Transylvania, Brașov, Romania. The standard entry requirement is an undergraduate degree at second-class honours level, 60% or above.